What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All of that does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. And for today's video, we have a sneaker unboxing for you guys, and this is one of my Yeezy Day pickups. So Yeezy Day was about 6 days ago and my shoe finally arrived. I have been seeing a lot of people get their shoes extremely fast, some even next day. But let's get right into the video and we'll show you what I picked up on Yeezy Day. So in the box, as we cut it open right here, I do have a pair of Yeezy 700 V3s. I'll wait to show you guys the colorway. This is my second pair of Yeezy 700 V3s. So we got it out of the box. I was hoping they might have mistakenly sent me a pair of turtle doves, but that's just wishful thinking. I did get my pair that I ordered, which is a 700. I'm gonna go to the size tag right here. I did grab it in a size 11 and a half. My other 700 V3 is a size 11 and it is kind of snug. So I had to go a half size above. And as you can see, the color code right there, you guys should know what shoe is in the box. So let's open it up. You know the traditional Yeezy sound when you open it up. Get it and ooh, my boy. These look fire in person. So I was able to pick up the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Azael colorway. Now this pair dropped really early on Adidas Confirmed app and I believe Yeezy Supply. I believe this is one of the first pairs you were able to enter for, and then the drawing was around 3 or 4 o'clock, and luckily I was able to hit for retail. Retail was $210 after taxes. It came out to $226. Right now on StockX and GOAT, this pair isn't going for too much over that price. Right now you can pick up a pair depending on your size anywhere between $240 to $260. Now this colorway originally came out in 2019. That's when we first saw the release. And correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below, but I don't think we ever saw a restock of the shoe. So I was really surprised at that resale price. But I don't think this shoe was too difficult to get. If you entered it on the Confirmed app, I'm pretty sure you were able to hit. Now Yeezy Day, we did have a little rant about it. Some of my L's I did take. If you guys are interested to see how Yeezy Day went for me, make sure you check out my Yeezy Day recap video. I will link it down below. So as we get a detailed look of the shoes, you can see that the uppers is primarily made of mesh, the same prime knit material that is on the Yeezy 350, and we have this plastic caging on the outside of it. As you wrap around to the toe box, we do have an extra protection of plastic, and for the outsole we have this baby blue outsole with hits of dark blue going throughout. Now this shoe is not Boost, it is extremely comfortable because it has that Ortho Light insoles on the inside. And for the tongue, we have a black cotton tongue, which is a little bit thicker than the material that is on the uppers. And for the midsole, we have that chunky dad looking midsole and that cream colorway that matches the caging right there perfectly. So I have both pairs out here. I pulled both pairs out to see if they did come with an extra pair of laces, and I don't believe that these pairs were coming with extra laces at the time. I know some of the newer 700 V3s did come with extra laces, but this does come with a lacing system that you can take out. Other 700 V3s, the lacing system is all connected, which means you have to cut the laces to get them out. Now this is the OG colorway for the 700 V3, meaning this is the first colorway to ever drop, and this is my favorite colorway. I was able to pick up the Yeezy 700 V3 Safflower colorway. Not one of my favorite colorways, but it was the most similar to the OG one, so I had to pick up this pair. So right now this pair is going to be for sale on my IG. If you guys are interested in picking this pair up, I think I'm going to be posting it for about 150 bucks. It's only been worn 2 times, so it's in extremely good condition. If you guys do want to pick up this pair, just DM me and I'll ship it out to you right away. So I did want to compare the two shoes right here. So as you can see, the lacing system is different. The OG 700 Azael has the traditional lacing system, meaning you can take the lacing out, but on the Safflower colorway, it is a loop lacing system, which basically means the only way you can really get this off is by cutting it, so that is a bummer. But the only good thing is with this one, they did give a spare pair of laces, so you were able to switch them out. Other than that, the materials on the upper, midsole, and outsole are all the same. The sock is the same, so it's pretty much just the same shoe, just a little bit of a different colorway and a little bit of a different lacing system. And one of my favorite parts about this shoe is the cage. It glows in the dark, and this specific colorway, the caging glows extra bright. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if they put a little bit of extra glow in this pair, but for some reason this pair glows super bright. So here's a little example of the glow, guys. I did put this underneath the lamp for about a minute or so, and we do have a light glow right now. And my window is kind of bright behind me, so this is just a light glow. But trust me, it does glow a lot brighter once you leave it in the sun for a little bit. And if the room was darker, it would be a lot more bright. Alright, and as you guys know, I give every shoe a rating on this channel. And for the Yeezy 700 V3 Azael, I'm going to give this shoe a rating of an 8.5. I think this is fire colorway. And for a price point almost at retail on the secondary market, you can't go wrong with picking up this shoe. Alright, well that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you are new here. And let me know in the comment section down below what pairs you picked up on Yeezy Day. Don't forget to check me out on TikTok and Instagram. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And make sure you guys join up on my Discord. It is linked down below. Come through, show some love, and I would really appreciate it if all you guys would join up. It's been your boy Tim, signing out. Peace.